By the afternoon, going to be getting up into the 70s to 80s. This is at the coast, so very warm, especially compared to where we have been. We're used to this typically in October, but not this year. We've had that stubborn marine layer, but we're going to catch a break the next few days. You see the clouds on there? Those are really just some high clouds around throughout today, so I don't think that's going to block too much sunshine. However, this time of year, that sun angle does get a little lower, so you may get stuck in shadows, so that's where it could get a little chilly at times. Inland, you're going to get into the 80s to near 90 today, and then a pretty pleasant evening as the sun goes down before 6:30, so getting earlier and earlier, then things will drop off. Want to take a look at those clouds near the coast, so some high clouds for now. Over the next few days, the marine layer pushing away, lots of sunshine, but I want to hop to the weekend. That's when we're watching a system that's going to make its way down the west coast. Look at all that blue. That's indicating some snow potential up in Northern California, down the Sierra. Locally, we could have some showers. I'm not buying it yet. I'm not putting in our 8-day forecast, but I'm letting you know if you have outdoor plans this weekend, keep an eye with that forecast. We'll get a better handle on that the next few days. Then quiet weather for the start of next week. And then we're tracking another system for Wednesday to maybe Thursday or the end of next week. So exciting to see these changes. Well, with a low pressure system that continues to move away from the coastline. Any rainfall with that is well off the coast over the ocean. We're just going to see those high clouds, and also that's going to help get rid of our marine layer. So we're seeing some changes in our weather. You know who else is having some big changes? The south. Look at this. They're seeing a big chill. Freeze warnings put in place for now through tonight, and they're going to have that very cold weather. Up north of that, seeing some snowfall. In fact, Louisville, Kentucky saw the first snowfall of the season already. Not quite record setting. The record is back on October 10th for the earliest snowfall, but about a week away from that. So pretty early for them to see that snow in this very cold system. Chilly temperatures, taking a look at some of those wind chill values. 10 degrees in Omaha, Nebraska. Now in the overnight though, Spencer, Iowa dropped down to -1. That is cold this time of year, likely record breaking. I didn't check that out, but very cold conditions for them. They're going to want their winter gear out for the next couple of days. Temperatures right now in the teens, below freezing, anywhere in white and light blue, indicating below 20 degrees. Look at that, even 30s to 40s in parts of the south. And then for the afternoon temperatures in the 40s to 50s. So pretty cool there. 41 for Minneapolis for the afternoon. Now for the West Coast, we're on the opposite end of this. We're seeing some 70s. Look at that, 74 for Salt Lake City as well. And then for the West Coast, seeing some more rainfall than average as we go into the end of this month, which is great news. Unfortunately, lots of large fires burning in parts of Oregon and a lot in Washington. So we need this, the cooler air coming our way and that wet weather potential by the end of the month. And we could be seeing some of that as well. We don't have that fire currently burning like up and towards the north, but we still have that fire risk this time of year because we're so dry. To start. Now by this afternoon, this is showing a lot of cloud cover. I don't think we're going to be seeing more clouds than sun. This is indicating those high clouds, which are going to be around today, similar to yesterday. I don't think it's going to block that sunshine. So instead, lots of upper 70s to 80s near the coast, 80s to near 90 inland. So it is getting a little warm. And then for your evening hours, going to be seeing those temperatures dropping off once the sun goes down, but still pretty nice. The sunset at 6:25, so still have opportunity for sunshine after work, but really looking like the last stretch of this as the days get shorter, as we get into those colder months. So if you like sunshine and warmth, appreciate it through about Thursday. Then we see cooler temps coming our way. 70s for today, 70s for tomorrow, but maybe some upper 70s. Inland spots, look at that, pushing 100 for Redding tomorrow. And then we do see this ridge of high pressure only for the next few days. And then if you're a fall lover, well, you're in luck. Cooler temperatures coming your way. Honestly, I love the little mix. I get so excited about the summer-like conditions. Then I get so excited for this cooler air coming down. You know what would make it even more exciting is if this brought rainfall. There is a slight chance. We'll watch that over the next couple of days. But as for now, looks like most of that rain and snow will be isolated up into the mountains. Today, though, we will be seeing that marine layer pushing off the coast once again. So not seeing those morning clouds, instead just the high clouds. You can see those around the region. Tomorrow looks pretty sunny as well. Looks like the warmest day of the week, and it looks like it is going to be topping off around the 80s for many, even near the coast tomorrow. So if you like sunshine and warmth, well, the next couple of days is your opportunity to get out there. Before we see some changes this weekend, starting Friday, we'll see some cooler air coming through, and then a system up towards the north that's going to bring us some rain chances for the weekend. So look at this system. You can see the center of it's still off towards our east. So that's why I don't necessarily expect much rainfall locally, but you can see this bringing in just a little bit of that green for the central coast. We'll keep an eye on that over the next few days. As of right now, I don't have that in our 8-day forecast, but I'll mention that there's a very slim chance. But better chance up in the mountains, maybe some snow, all that blue indicating those freezing temperatures, and freezing line getting down to some of those peaks, so could be seeing some snowfall. Then pretty quiet for the end of the weekend. And next week, by the end of next week, could be seeing some more rain, so just nice to be talking about an opportunity of perhaps seeing some rainfall. It's time for this morning's Hot Shots.
Yeah. We did it, guys. Tuesday's gone, just like that. That's all we got time for. We'll see you later. Have a good day.